In this video, we'll be covering the process of building a high-converting website from scratch. Building a website can seem like a daunting task, but with the right steps, tools, and strategies, it can be a smooth and successful journey. We'll be taking a closer look at the key elements that make a website conversion-worthy and the steps you need to take to build one. Before you start building your website, it's essential to do your research and planning. This step involves determining the type of website you need, identifying your target audience, and analyzing your competitors. In this scene, we'll dive deeper into these aspects and explore some tools and strategies you can use to make the most out of your research and planning phase. The design and development phase is where you bring your website to life. Here, you'll select a website builder, choose a theme, design your pages, and add your content. In this scene, we'll walk you through some design and development best practices and show you some tools and resources that can simplify and enhance the process. Once your website is up and running, you need to optimize and test it to ensure it's performing at its best. This stage involves monitoring your website's traffic and user behavior, identifying areas of improvement, and testing different elements to increase conversions. In this scene, we'll discuss some optimization and testing strategies and introduce you to some tools that can help you get the insights you need to make informed optimization decisions. Building a high-converting website from scratch requires a combination of research, planning, design, and testing. By following the steps outlined in this video and leveraging the tools and strategies we've shared, you'll be on your way to creating a website that not only looks great, but also converts visitors into customers. Thank you for watching.